Yes, voice over JustBeCreative is back, for now anyways, but I'm just gonna jump right into today's video, because I'm gonna make my dream art studio. Except it's in miniature, because that takes less space than a real one. So I'm starting off right now with this little chair or sofa that is a part of it, part of the studio. And I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. Mostly because the other little chair in this miniature is garbage. The glue I'm using right here is the glue that arrives in Robotime kits, and I still don't know exactly what it is, but it's amazing, and I wish I had a gallon of it so I could use it for everything. Now I'm gonna make my own little glue cocktail made from fabric and all-purpose glue, and scared the life out of my boyfriend.
What did you just do?
I'm gonna glue all the blue basic fabrics to the wood. The top of the chair was a bit tricky, because there's a little hole in there. Now it's time for the chair feet. Originally you're supposed to make these out of wire, but I have a bad experience with that, so I used toothpicks that I painted black. I'm very bad with wires, making them seem realistic. Oh yes, then my phone died. Right, it's time to assemble this waste of time that took me so much longer than it should have. I had to re-glue the chair feet on like 3 times because they kept falling off. Oh yes, talking about a waste of time. So putting this shawl on this little sofa took me forever. First, it like legit took me 10 minutes because I wanted to make it perfect. Imagine putting your shawl on the chair would take you 10 minutes. It would be ridiculous. And there we go, a chair, or a sofa if you want to get fancy with it. Anyway, let's get on to the real part of the video, or most important, which is painting. Thrilling. Alrighty, let's get started with the mini moving in of my dream art studio. And this is exactly what I mean with the wires not being a success. Look at how bendy those wires on a desk are. It's so bendy, they remind me I should sit straight up. Anyways, let's get all our small furniture in the room. Especially in miniature, I love adding details to make rooms more lively and less living room magazine-y. So there's a lot of stuff to move in this miniature room, and it's only a little room. So imagine that. Alright, it is time to hang some paintings on the wall. Very couple of cute ones. Including my man, Vincent here. Kinda weird to have a painting of a dead dude hanging in your art studio if you think about it, but you know, let's just ignore that. Ouch, that hurt. Time to move this giant plant to its respective place. If it will listen to me, of course. Can you just stop falling over? Can you just sense straight up, please? Oh my god. Please stop. Oh my god! Ooh, it is desk time. Well, the start of it anyways. Desk time is my favorite time. Average desks are very cluttery, so, you know, me loving details and clutter. This thick lemon tree book. And using the plant as a book stopper because they won't stop falling over. Oh wow, that poster got some speed. What happened there? Let's make sure they all stop moving like that and put them in a good old box. It's time to add some articles onto the desk. My art studio, I'd love to have to be able to sell all my crafts. What the heck is up with those cards, man? Just pick them. There we go. Oh yes, it's time for the little fine liners. They are so cute. I love them so much. Making them is so easy. If you would like a tutorial on that, miniature writing stuff, let me know. I'd love to do it. The pencil holder fainted by the idea of more miniature videos. Okay, I get it, I understand. Let's make sure the pencil holder will stop falling over by making it rest against the wall. There you go. Oh god, don't fall over. Please. Oh my god, what did I just say? Oh my god! I hate this cabinet with a passion. Oh my god, it sucks. Right, time for the next cabinet. Hopefully he's behaving a little bit better. Boom, first try. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god, that was the sofa's fault. Okay, just please be careful. Adding some books around the sofa, like I said. Clutter. With this box, I'm gonna be very careful to not accidentally knock the whole dang desk over. Now this little stool is also a nightmare, as I said, but it rests against the desk, so we're all good with that. Oh my god, I swear these cabinets are conspiring against me. Alright, this video was a mess. I don't know why everything kept going wrong. But the end result is really cute. And I gotta say, you know, maybe one day I'll have one too, or my own. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. And if you liked it, you should definitely subscribe because I make a lot more miniature and normal DIY crafts. And hopefully I'll do my voice more often. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!